All right, I'm gonna go over why my 99 RT10 is the rarest RT10 ever sold to the public. I had quite a few people comment on some of my posts asking why is it the rarest or why is it one of three. It's pretty simple. It's a 99 red with cognac interior. The cognac interior was not available with Viper red cars. It was only available with silver and black. And if you look, I think it's the Viper registry, Dodge made 3 red with Cognac RT10s and 3 GTSs red with Cognac as well. They were late releases, which I'm not sure what that means. And unfortunately, the original owner is no longer around, so I can't ask him. But it sounds like maybe they were able to put in some orders, or some people were chosen to, I don't know, get one of those 3 cars. So I'm not sure about why these 3 cars exist or how they exist. Cognac did become available with the Viper Red in 2000. Why this is significant is because in 1999, this was the last year for the 708 camshaft, the forged crankshaft, and the forged pistons. And in 2000, they went to hyper-eutectic pistons and a more mild cam. Some people say it doesn't matter unless you boost the engine, but there is about a 20 wheel horsepower difference between 96 to 99 cars and the 2000 and 2002 cars. So 99 for me was kind of like the sweet spot because you got all the interior upgrades and you got the 18-inch wheels. So now that you kind of have the background story of the RT10, I can get into the specifics about this car and do some walk around. So the first thing you'll notice is the paint is absolutely perfect. I just got done with a paint correction. And when I say paint correction, I came around the hood, and I filled in each and every one of these chips and rock chips from just highway driving, and then I wet sanded it and got it perfect. I didn't wet sand any of the original orange peel, so the paint is, I would say, equal to how it came from the factory. I didn't want to make it better because I want to keep this car as original as possible. I also did a full PPF clear bra on this car, so that's also why the paint just looks absolutely perfect, and how I don't feel bad driving it. You know, I got film on the hood, bumper, headlights, roof, quarter panels, doors. I mean, this thing is pretty solid. So exterior wise, it's about as close as it came from the factory as possible. I got the original 18-inch polished wheels, 275, 35, 18 Pirelli P0s in the front, and then the 335, 30, 18s Pirelli P0 in the back. The other only exterior modification here is this IPSCO tow hook, and I got that because my slave cylinder went out and I thought I was gonna have to put it on a flatbed. So that's the only modification. Now, the interior, right, this is the money shot, right? This is why this car is so rare. Is pretty much as it came. The only differences here is I have a Gen 5 sepia shift knob, which is basically identical to the Gen 2 Cognac interior, and it's about 1.5 inches shorter than the original Gen 2 shifter, so it just looks better in there, and it feels better when you shift. I also have Lloyd mats, these black ones. The original were matching Cognac color. I just took them out just to preserve them, and I think the black looks pretty good with the two-tone. Anything else in here that's not original? Nope, that's it. This is as it came in 1999. And as you can tell, the interior, the seats on this car are absolutely perfect. 12,000 miles. Like I said, this thing is absolutely perfect. Again, more clear bra back here on the deck lid and the sport cap. Let me pop the engine for you. This is kind of the most, let me put this down. The most modifications are to the engine. All right, let's get you in here. So, you know, only bolt-on stuff. I didn't do anything to this car that I wouldn't be able to undo and bring back to 100% originality. So there's the glorious 8-liter, 488 cubic inch V10. The valve covers are pristine condition. The intake manifold, pristine condition. You will notice I have rose smooth tubes on here, the polished ones. They look pretty good. And I have the original, like I said, the original accordion style in the closet. And then I have K&N drop-in air filters. You know, you let this V10 breathe a little bit, and it really opens up. I have done a full, I'll say, preservation / restoration of this car. I mean, it really wasn't that great a condition when I got it. Changed out all the fluids, got this thing tip-top shape, looking super clean, like it came out the showroom floor. Now, the bigger modifications, I was able to source an entire Gen 2 exhaust, and that's what I used to cut up. So I actually have a cat delete right in there in the side sill, and then I'm rocking a Billy Boat exhaust cat back all the way back. And why I chose the Billy Boat exhaust cat back over, say, a Corsa was mainly because I wanted the X-pipe. And this car has an X-pipe, and it sounds unlike any other Viper out there because it's a true X-pipe. So let me start it up for you guys, and you can hear how it sounds. Sounds absolutely incredible. I love this exhaust setup. It's rumbly, it's exotic sounding, and it really did free up the engine. I was able to notice a difference from the seat of the pants. There's that pretty V10. I have new spark plug wires and quality, they're quality spark plug wires. That's the name of the company. Then I have new spark plugs in there. So this 708 cam, right? This super special 708 cam really gives it that rumble, and I don't know, maybe you could catch this hood vibrating just from the sheer power of this V10. Like I said, this thing is beautiful. So I'll just kind of give you a walk around. I have the original soft top as well. Let me open up the passenger side for you. This passenger seat's just about perfect. Pretty much no one's ever sat on it. And then the all glorious 7-foot long hood. I mean, this car is just premier. And like I said, the Rarest RT10 sold to the public. The public part is an important part because there was a 1-of-1 ACR, but it was given to Viper Club of America members. It was raffled off. So that's in a private collection right now. And I mean, that's just a 1-of-1, but it was never sold to the public. So that's my caveat with this car. Just absolutely beautiful. I love this thing. I am planning on maybe going to the Gen 5 Rattler wheels here next month. We'll see how those look. I think the 19-inch rear will really fill out this rear archway and absolutely change the look of this car and maybe bring it to a little bit more modern stance. There's, you can see the gauges through that back window. Well, that's my 1-of-3 '99 Dodge Viper RT10 red with Cognac interior. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're following the channel, great. If you're not, subscribe because I have a lot more build stuff coming on. Like I said, wheels, I'm probably going to get the BC coilovers as well. So thanks for watching.